Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of learning SQL. Today we are going to talk about the where clause. The where clause is also important in SQL because it helps us filter rows that meet specific conditions. For example, in our case, we want to query the employee salary table, which is found in the Parks and Recreation database. So we'll first start by writing out our select statement, which is we select everything within our table from our database, which is the Parks and Recreation database, and our table, which is the employee salary table. Let's run that to see what we have in our table. As you can see, our table contains several columns from the employee ID, first name, last name, occupation, salary, and department ID. Let's say we want to find out how many employees earn 50,000 shillings. That's where the where clause comes in. So we will go here and write where salary, which is the column, salary is equal to 50,000. So when we run that, we'll only get employees who are paid 50,000 shillings, who are Tom and Jerry. The equal sign is called the comparison operator, and there are several of them. For example, we want to find out how many employees are paid more than 50,000 shillings. Instead of using the equal sign, we use the greater than operator. When you run that, it gives us a list of employees earning more than 50,000 shillings. We might want to get a list of employees earning less than 50,000 shillings. We can use the less than operator. When we run that, as you can see, only 2 employees, April and Andy, earn less than 50,000. We can play around with it. Maybe we want to find, let's go back to our table. Maybe we want to find an employee who works or employees who work as office managers. So in our where clause, we'll specify the column, which is the occupation column, where the occupation is, you have to put that in asterisk. In the occupation is office manager. Close that. So when we run that, we can see only Jerry and Donna work as office managers. There's so many operators that we can use to query our data. I've addressed all of them in my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and find the link in my bio. Bye, and let me see you in the next one.